If you want to remove a payment method from your Pinterest account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Pinterest website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Billing Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the option to remove or delete the payment method. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the instructions to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Pinterest account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for assistance.